Let's make some of my nail growth oil. Here's what you're gonna need: avocado oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil, lavender essential oil, lemon essential oil, myrrh essential oil, frankincense essential oil, glass dropper bottle. This one is 2 ounces, measuring spoons, and a funnel. Everything I used will be linked below. Add the funnel to your dropper bottle and get ready to add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 10 drops of lavender essential oil, 10 drops of lemon essential oil, 10 drops of frankincense essential oil, 10 drops of myrrh essential oil, fill the rest of the dropper bottle with grapeseed oil. Remove your funnel and close it up. Shake to combine. To use, I simply add a drop to each cuticle and gently massage into my nail beds. That amount is enough to do the other hand as well. All the ingredients I used will be linked below. If you're curious of why I use what I use, check out the blog post for this recipe, which explains the benefits of each ingredient. That will be linked below. And if you like easy DIY recipes like this, you can check out my book, DIY It All. It contains over 100 DIY recipes for the home and body. You can get it as a physical book or an ebook, and that is linked below as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.